Hey guys, Elliot here from Agilite, here to present to you an awesome upgrade for our classic Agilite helmet covers. This is our new retrofit kit, counterweight battery pouch for our helmet covers that don't have a rear pouch, such as the Mohawk Air. The retrofit kit includes one rear pod and a lengthened bungee cord. Let me show you some of its key features. First, this pouch is completely universal and will fit all common battery packs and counterweights. As you can see, I've got an Anvis 9 battery pack right here. We also have 4 battery slots for your C123 batteries, as well as your standard AA's, of course. It has strategically placed exit holes perfectly for all your NVG battery cables. This pouch also provides you with impact protection for your battery pack. And lastly, it has a central loop area for your patches. Boom. Let me show you all how this is going to get set up. First and foremost, what you want to do is you want to undo the previous bungee cord that you received in your package. This is your original cord. Then take it all off. Then, with the bungee cord that you received, you're going to go and loop it in. Put it through the Agilite loop. Then make sure that it's even, like so. Pass it through the first 2 loops simultaneously, if you can. Make sure it's even. Then what you're going to do is you're going to crisscross. Go all the way down. Like this. Now that we have the 2 cords like this, what we're gonna do is we're gonna put on our pod. So first and foremost, what you wanna do, you wanna make sure that the retention system on this is on. So you wanna take off your 2 black dots right here, Velcro, and you're gonna put them on at the bottom. We already have them on, so we don't need them, so we're gonna put them on the side. But you wanna make sure that's even. Make sure that's centered. Then, now that our pod is on, I'm gonna lift up the first flap, put the 2 bungee cords through, pass it through the first loop, 1 and 2. Then you've got another loop right here at the bottom. You're gonna pass that on through as well. Now that it's at the bottom, you're gonna pull it a little bit, make sure that you've got some slack. Put on our cord lock right here. Once that is on and nice and tight, you're going to make a knot, like so, and you're ready to operate. For more information on the Mohawk Retrofit Kit, visit www.agilitegear.com.